Hello guys, it's always a pleasure to come your way with a good video. If you enjoy our videos, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and also share so that people can also benefit from these videos. Now today we want to dive into the world of machine learning. And machine learning is also a step into the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a tool that has been programmed to be able to perform tasks on our behalf, just like the chatgpt that has been recently introduced into the world. It's a very nice application, or you can call it a website that can do so many things within some seconds. ChatGPT can write a code for you, it can write a story for you, it can answer any kind of question you put into it. It will do it within some seconds, and it's a very nice tool. If you haven't yet tried it, there's a link down below in the description of this video. Please go ahead and click on the link. You'll learn more about ChatGPT. Now let's get into the machine learning. Now, machine learning simply means to let the computer to study certain data, to analyze the data, and to be able to predict the outcome of that data. Just like statistics in mathematics, you can be able to use the knowledge of machine learning, combining with certain modules in Python to be able to calculate the mode, the median, the standard deviation, and also to draw certain graphs like pie chart, block graph, cumulative frequency, so on and so forth. So in our next video, we learn how to do to use these modules in Python to be able to draw the pie chart, the block graph, and also to calculate the mean, the mode, and then the standard deviation of statistics. So stay tuned to the next video. Thank you for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Share the video to those who are in need of this video. And I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.